front of me is Poco X6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Begin by opening themes and selecting the best one for you. You can do that by clicking on Themes section at the top of Home category, selecting Categories and look for your theme over here. Or click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. After finding the best theme for you, click on it and hit download. If you see this kind of pop-up, select a different theme or select got it and download this one anyway. Lastly, select apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. To go back to your default one, access the same app, but this time hit my account at the bottom left corner. Then click on Themes at the top and tap on Poco or Limitless. Lastly, select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!